And it's now time for the business review. Here is Dashan Hendricks.
Performed well in 2017.
VM Group Chairman Michael McMorris, addressing shareholders of VM Investments at the company's recent annual general meeting. Its CEO Devon Barrett, giving more details, said the entity, which had almost gone dormant, is now back on track.
So what did we do to get this rejuvenation going? We raised $500 million in new capital in early last year, 2017. And we closed the year by having this IPO in which we raised $683 million.
He said that gave the entity the capital it needed to get the business up and running again. The main aim now is growing through asset management. With the government no longer a big player in the securities market, change is needed.
So you've heard about the re-emergence of the unit trust business, and you've heard about portfolios. So those are the instruments that are now dominating the marketplace. So our strategy is to build on that. So we're going to grow our asset management business more. We've had good growth, and we're looking to have even better growth when we go forward.
He said raising funds for companies is another big business it is looking at, with fewer entities borrowing from banks and instead looking to either raise equity or bond capital.
Borrowing from the securities dealer market or borrowing from a direct investor allows you much more flexibility. You can pay interest on a quarterly basis. You can pay interest on a 6 months basis. You can start repaying the principal 5 years later. You can repay all the principal at the end of the period. So you get a lot of flexibility by borrowing from the securities dealer market than from borrowing from a bank.
The funds freed up by doing so is often used by companies to put into the business to foster faster growth. But he said VM can only do this if it has customers. The focus then is to improve the experience of those who choose to spend money with them. Now customers can buy and sell stocks online. The company wants to do more, but conscious that they can only do as well as the economy is performing, he calls on the government to do more to improve resilience. The economy is starting to show growth. Things are heading in the right direction. Tourism and mining performing well, but agriculture continues to be a jag.
So the challenge to the authorities is to find ways to leverage things like rainfall. So we've had rainfall, and instead of benefiting seeing the benefit in the agricultural sector, we're seeing a decline in the agricultural sector. So it means our infrastructure needs to be better, so that we can benefit from things like rainfall rather than to be hurt by it.
Mr. Barrett said the aim is to ensure that all sectors are working so the country does not become tourism dependent. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.